Look at this, guys. Wow. Wow. Look at this. This. Beautiful. Wow. You see, guys?
How about you bring me that?
Hundreds of this kind of birds. Wow. Look. What a beautiful. I don't know their name. It's geese or what? I don't know. What a beautiful place, guys. Wow. Look. There are many birds. Ah, they wanna come out. Wow. Wow. They immigrated from somewhere else to Quruxda. Yeah. And soon it will become cold in Europe, in Scandinavian, so they will go to Africa or Asia. Wow, what a beautiful nature here. Look at this, guys. Wow. I love water and animals, birds. Wow. Birds and flowers, they are beautiful. Beautiful. Wow. Look at this. Wow. They want to come out of the water. Wow. Amazing. Very calm place. It's not sunny, it's not windy, it's not cold, it's not warm or hot. Wow, it's normal. I cannot explain like this weather. Like this weather. It's between 15 to 17 degrees centigrade. These small ones, they are coming towards me. Ah, this duck is not like them. Wow. Look, this, they are coming towards me. Wow. You see, guys, other side of the water, there's a town. And there's a people who live there. To the other side. Very beautiful place. Wow. Look at this, guys. There are many. This side, there and there and there. Wow. Wow. Beautiful. Beautiful place and beautiful birds. They're gonna come out from the water. But there's a people, me and few other people. Look at this. Look at these guys. Wow. Very beautiful. Wow. Beautiful. It's 2nd September, 2nd day of September. So, wow. Beautiful sky. Look at these clouds. Wow. Amazing atmosphere. Wow. Huh. You see, ducks, they don't afraid the people, but those goose, they are not coming close to me. Wow. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Amazing. Wonderful. Wow. There are many birds that and here and the other side of there. Amazing trees here. Wow. Wow. Amazing. Wonderful. Yeah, I'm gonna show you there other side. It's beautiful, very green, beautiful, big trees. Wow, look at that one. Very big tree. Very big. And that one. Wow. Amazing. Yes, guys. Please like the video. Subscribe the channel if you do not subscribe to my channel. We're gonna grow together, discover together, go adventures together. Yeah, here's your brother, your friend. Yeah. Every man's brother, every woman's brother. Yeah. International boy. Wow, look at the sun. Can you see the sun? There. I don't know if you can see or not. Beautiful place. Beautiful place. Yeah. Very calm. What a beautiful trees there. Look at these guys. Look at this. Look at this beautiful place. Wow. Very peaceful place. Peaceful, beautiful. Wow. Look. I like these trees so much. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Wow. There are many. Wow. Beautiful. I'm asking you, would you come here, this place, at this place? Would you like to come? Yeah, at this place. That's my question. That's my question. Wow. I like it so much. Beautiful Carlos Cougar. beautiful Karlskoga. Look at this thing. Oh my god. Beautiful. Ah, I was talking about these trees. There are many. Look. Towards there. Look at this. I don't know its name. Very tall. It's like 6, no, not 6. It's almost 10 meter or more. 15 meters. Wow. Wow, look. And like its stem, it's like this. Wow. Look at this beautiful. Very tall, very, very, very tall. Wow, amazing. We're gonna film here also. I see people playing tennis. Wow, sun is shining, but there are clouds. Clouds. Look at these trees, guys. Huh. You are thinking I'm kidding? No, I'm not kidding. Look. Very beautiful. Beautiful. Wow. Yep. I see the people playing tennis here. Wow. Playing tennis. Look, they're playing tennis. Wow, bro. Look. Beautiful. Tennis. We're gonna film. Huh. It's 2 and 2. 4 players. Oh yeah. Bro. Ah. Welcome to Karlskoga. Beautiful place. The most beautiful place that I have ever been. Wow. Look. This place, guys. Very green. Look. Sweden is green, guys. Sweden is green. Very green. You can come here and sit on this bench. Wow. And have a nice time with your friends, with your family. Wow. Look at this. And here is a fireplace. You can make barbecue here. Look at this. You can come and make a barbecue here. Wow. Forest. It's trees or forest everywhere you go in Sweden. Wow. Wow. Look at this. Beautiful. amazing. I like it so much. So much. Yep. This house, I think it's wooden house. Yeah, it's wooden house. Beautiful. I cannot look at the sun, so I must have this one. It's new for now. Better. Yes, now I can look at the sun. Look at the sun. What the... Wow. Look at that. Very beautiful. Very beautiful. Very beautiful. Everywhere, big trees. Yeah. Wow. Amazing place. I like it so much. Yep, I will continue to film, guys.